I'm Jack from FlaktGroup, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to wire the MaXfan Compac. The MaXfan Compac is our new single-phase high-pressure solution for kitchen ventilation. When you receive your MaXfan Compac, it will come supplied with a separate box. In this box you will find your pre-programmed inverter, conversion kit and keypad.
To wire your MaXfan Compac you'll need the following tools: a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, an M8 nut driver, a Torx screwdriver, a Torx 20-bit, 3 glands, your 3-core cable including earth, and 6-core cable including earth. We recommend that you locate the inverter no more than 15 metres away from the fan and that you use shielded armoured cable.
There are 3 mounting points on your inverter, shown here on the video.
Now your inverter is secured to the wall, now would be a good time to fit your glands to the base plate provided within the conversion kit. Now your glands are installed, it's time to fix the base plate to the inverter. To do this, you take the 2 Torx screws provided with your conversion kit, screw them in. Now we're going to run through the wiring of the MaXfan Compac. We start the fan, through the inverter, and out to the main power supply. Please ensure that all power is isolated and that all wiring is carried out by a qualified electrician. Use your M8 nut driver to remove the 4 bolts securing the terminal box lid. Inside the terminal box lid, you'll find your wiring diagram. Once the terminal box is removed, you can fit your glands similar to how you did with the base plate. Thread your cable through the gland into the terminal box lid as shown here. Start by connecting the earth, followed by U1, V1 and W1 connected to UV and W respectively on the inverter, and S and S which will be your thermistors. Start by connecting your earth. Then your U1, V1 and W1. Take note of the colours. Once you've completed your wiring, it's now time to refit the terminal box lid. To do this, you'll need your M8 nut driver once again, and the 4 nuts that you took out previously. Feed the other end of the cable through the gland to the base plate as shown here. Start by connecting your earth, brown, grey and blue, and the corresponding wires. U1, now connect your thermal protection from S and S on the fan to 12 and 29 on the inverter. Now it's time to connect the cable from your mains power supply to the inverter. Thread the cable through the gland as you've done before. Once you've threaded your cable, you can now wire up your mains power supply to the inverter. Once the inverter's all wired up, you can fit the rest of the conversion kit. Once you have power to the inverter, to begin operation, just press hand on and then hold the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the speed.
MaXfan Compac is our new single-phase solution for commercial kitchen ventilation. It comes in sizes 315 to 630 and is pre-supplied with our pre-programmed inverter with full speed control with no heat protection. It's designed to be robust and reliable with the high pressure performance required